Hi, my name is Moni and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a very short one. I just want to appreciate our subscribers. We are about 100 plus subscribers. Yay! We started this channel in 2021 and we've been able to grow up to about 100. I just want to say a very big thank you because I appreciate you guys. We grew organically because each and every video I post now, we have about 100 plus views and we are about 100. So please, I want to say a very big thank you for always watching my videos, for taking out time to comment in the comment section and also leaving a thumbs up when you watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So please recommend my channels to your friends and your colleagues so that they can enjoy the benefits you too are enjoying. So on this channel, we share videos on how you can use the things around you to take care of your skin so that you can look beautiful and have a healthy skin without breaking the bank. So please, if this is the kind of content you enjoy watching, stay tuned. We will also be including different fun and interesting content on this channel, so please watch out. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag yet, so please stay tuned and turn on the notification bell. And also, please, if you've tried any of our recipe out, please let me know in the comment section. I've been having a lot of positive reviews about the vitamin C face serum, the lip scrub and the lip balm, and also how to have a smooth face using banana. All these things I share on my channel are the things you can easily find around you in your kitchen, in your house, so you don't need to break the bank to have a smooth and flawless skin. Watch my previous videos, try out my recipe, and also let me know in the comment section if you've done that or if you will be doing that. See you in my next video and thank you. We are going to have a lovely 2022.